If your 2023 Kia Sportage is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistically, over 85% of smartphone integration issues are caused by simple software glitches or faulty cables. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where your connection is breaking down. Start by unlocking your phone and using the hidden reset button on your Sportage dash to refresh the system. If you are using a wired connection, your cable is the most likely point of failure in the circuit. Double-check your iPhone settings to ensure Siri is active and CarPlay permissions aren't restricted. If wireless CarPlay is acting up, switching to an official Apple cable often solves the problem instantly. As you can see, a simple system reset fixes nearly half of all reported Sportage connectivity issues. When all else fails, use the clean slate method by deleting the pairing on both devices and starting over. If the USB port feels loose or the screen keeps rebooting, it is time to use your Kia warranty. Remember to check for official Kia software updates online before assuming your hardware is broken. Hopefully this gets your maps back on screen. Safe driving, and I will see you in the next one.